Neil and Amy again. Me and Holly. It's cold now. Let's put on our jackets. Whose jacket is this? Is this your Amy?
Yes, it's mine. Thanks. One yours, Leo.
No, my jacket is blue. This one mine. And this blue jacket is here. Here your Holly.
This jacket is small for Leo. Are you sure it's your? And my jacket is very big.
Oh no, I forgot yours. That's why it's so big for me. Really, so big for me.